Hey guys, it's Greg again. I'm going to, I've been investigating. What I've been doing is I've been investigating Luna a little bit more. And I said that, I'm not going to short Luna because it's kind of a dangerous short. Well, it was when it was bullish. But now I think that maybe, just maybe, Luna has gone bearish too. So I just go over this analysis. Obviously, anybody who got in and shorted at the top at 119 and then got in there, that was awesome. But in my previous videos, I mentioned that the fifth wave is either the start of something or the end of something. So here with Luna, this is a 5-wave impulse down. And you can see my count here. You got a 5-wave there. And, this might not be exactly right, but I'm going off the RSI because you can see the lowest point on the RSI on the 4 hours right there. So a wave ended there and a wave ended there. And for this to be a 5-wave, that it's going up, probably making the 4th wave, and it's going to have a real short 5th wave, and then you'll see your divergence. So that's the first step that I'm going to be looking for to confirm that this is an impulse move and not something else. It could be weird because some weird stuff can pop in there, like ABC type move possibly, or something like that. Maybe a tight ABC. It could have been in there. So I want to confirm that this will be an impulse. And if it is, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, some of you are going to say, Greg, the third wave's too short. You can have an extended first wave, an Elliott wave, as long as the third wave is not the shortest. Okay. So let me blow that up a little bit for you guys and show you right here. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. On that move. And then this third wave is shorter than the first. So this 5th wave is going to be short. It's going to be a truncated 5th. More than likely, it's probably just going to come down to say, even with that wave. But there's got to be divergence right there to confirm that that's a 5th wave move. If it doesn't, then something else is going on, and then you have to I'll have to reevaluate my trade. So after that point, what's going to happen is Luna is going to probably bounce. And knowing Luna, it might do a good bounce. And if this is the start of something, more than likely, which it will be, if it confirms being an impulse move down and not some other strange sort of structure that's in there, it'll bounce pretty good. I expect Luna to go up to 618, which will be about $99, maybe $100, and Luna could actually probably go up to 786. And if it goes that high, then this could be a 1-2, and it might be going down on a third wave. Who knows? I mean, that would be really nice if it's a third wave, but I don't have my hopes up on something like that for Luna. But this would be the target area. So first step, confirm this becomes an impulse. See what happens on the bounce. Where is it going to go onto the bounce? Keep track of the waves up. Look at other confluence that you might have when you're looking to go into a short. And then look for a target. So I have this second fib chart. This is the first fib chart of my targets. So say Luna goes up to the 0.618, which is about $99. This second fib target, if this is just simply going to be an A, B, C type move, okay, it come down to 0.618 would be $75, would be my minimum target if this ends up being an ABC move. Now with Luna, you got to be careful. This can't be, well, this could turn into some weird other move. The A could go a lot higher. So you just have to keep track of that. So, but this is just the basics of the move of where you go down a 618, 786, and you put your, you can start entering in on these fib levels, and then you can find areas where you want to go with the stop loss. Now, something like Luna, which likes to probably move, wildly, and you got to be careful your stop loss because you can get wicked out probably on Luna. But wherever you feel comfortable putting a stop loss. So if you enter in at 100, 4%, 3% at 103 is a stop loss, and you just go up higher depending on how comfortable you're going to be with that. So I'm not sure where I'm going to put mine quite yet. I still want to get confirmation. If I get the first step, confirm that's an impulse. Got to confirm that's an impulse first. Watch the retracement, okay, or wherever it's going to retrace. I mean, Luna just might continue to wander down a little bit, okay. Still want to enter in anything until it's done, okay, till it's done, and then you can go up. Some people might want to play a long trade on this one too. I mean, that would be a risky, because I think in this situation it'd be a counter trend, because the trend now is going to be down, a downtrend right now, and you'd be doing a counter trend even though it's going up. In this situation, those are more risky than just going with the trend. I have done counter trend moves, and I've had I have a lot. It's can be done, but the problem is in the moves is the moves can keep dropping, and then it doesn't work out as planned, as always. So I would just say be careful, but it could be decent with Luna. So here's the move. If it does a 0.618 down to 75, and then 786 is 69, and then down to 64. And I actually have a long target for Luna that I've come up with, that I'll start looking for Luna, that I think that there's a possibility it can get down from where 53 to 62 is a possibility. That's my area to go long on Luna, and it's going to depend on Bitcoin too. I've been going over Bitcoin, and the more that I'm looking at it at a higher time frame, I'm thinking, Bitcoin is possibly in some sort of fourth wave correction, and it's going to have another minor push down, because, here's the lowest point on the RSI. So that'd be confirmation of some sort of third wave move right there. And it's going up, and then it's going to probably come back down to that area on the RSI and do just a minor fifth wave move, and then maybe do a major bounce. Now the thing is too, with both these assets, you want to keep track of the two places. Is the VIX. You want to keep track of the VIX. Let me see here. Yeah, the VIX is going up on an ABC move right here. It went up on an ABC move. The VIX, usually when the VIX is down, that's a bullish sign. And then also the dollar too. The dollar or the DXY keeps going up and keeps wandering up. And you see it's running out of steam. It's running out of steam here. We're starting to get divergence. So I'm expecting sometime soon, that there will be some sort of correction on the DXY. And when that happens, in my opinion, that's when we'll get this counter trend move on Bitcoin, and also on Luna, and all the other assets too will go right along with it. So there'll be other ones you want to concentrate. But see, guys, what I like to do is I like to have other assets to have plays, because what happens is sometimes, I was looking at Kusama, and then Kusama is in a different area in my opinion, what it's doing. So it's not done with its sequences yet. So, you don't want to trade these waves. I mean, you can do these waves, but they're a little bit more frustrating. So I think Kusama's coming down to 3-4, complete that. It's going up in another 4, swing back down in that 5, and probably has another 4 to do, and then swing down another 5. So Kusama is just going to be wandering down with some volatility in there. And it's not a good trade right now, not until it completes the sequence, and then it can do a counter trend move. So while the DXY starts doing its correction, Kusama will it could bounce all the way up here, as long as it doesn't break the 1. And then if it's in this one, it can go up even, higher up there, something like that, up to 170 almost, or something like that. So anyhow, guys, I just want to make a quick video on that, and told you I was going to look at Luna. I was like, no, I'm not going to short it. But I looked at this structure on Luna, and it's definitely in some sort of corrective move. I'm going to pay attention to this, just get confirmation of a impulse move down. But you have to be, one thing I want you guys to be aware, you have to be careful because of this structure right here. So this actually could be like an ABC itself. So you have to be careful and to verify that. So that's what I'm waiting for, to see what this actually is going to be coming out to be. All right, guys, thanks for watching my video. Peace.